my child. As I bring healing to you, you will witness the restoration of your family as well. Do not doubt my abilities just because you think it's impossible. You will witness my glory when you remain focused on me. As you let go of your worries about those I care for deeply. Even more than you do, you will see me perform miracles that only I am capable of. By keeping your heart open to me and allowing me to cleanse you, you will witness transformative changes that you cannot achieve on your own. When you are whole, you will love with a pure and selfless love, without expecting anything in return or having any hidden motives. Instead of dwelling on the problems of others, approach me with humility so that I can transform you. Let love be the guiding light within your heart, and you will witness the restoration of all things. Luke 6 verses 41 to 42. And why worry about a speck in your friend's eye when you have a log in your own? How can you think of saying, "Friend, let me help you get rid of that speck in your eye," when you can't see past the log in your own eye? Hypocrite. First get rid of the log in your own eye. Then you will see well enough to deal with the speck in your friend's eye.